Where is it? Where is the milk? I see bread, I see apples, but no milk.
Jack, stop shouting. This is a store, not a jungle.
I'm just asking a question. I can't find anything. I'm lost.
You're not lost. You're just rude in English. Never start with where is. Start with the magic phrase, excuse me.
Excuse me?
Yes, but to sound natural, drop the E. Say, excuse me.
Excuse me?
Excuse me, where's the milk? Try it.
Excuse me, where's the milk?
Perfect. Now people will want to help you.
Okay, I ask nicely, and the worker says, aisle 5. What is an islay?
Ah, this is a trap. It is spelled Aisle, but the S is silent.
Silent? So not islay?
No, it is pronounced aisle, like your I plus ul. Aisle.
Aisle.
Yes, it is an aisle 5.
Aisle 5. Wow, English spelling is crazy.
It is, but now you sound like a pro.
Okay, I am in aisle 5, but there are too many products. Up, down, left, right.
Good point. You need to know about shelves.
Shelves.
Yes, if it is high, it is on the top shelf.
Top shelf.
If it is low, it is on the bottom shelf.
Bottom shelf.
So ask, is it on the top or bottom shelf?
Is it on the top or bottom shelf? That saves time. Sarah, look, I found the cookies, but there is no price. Is it free?
No, Jack, nothing is free. The tag is missing.
So I scream, how much money?
No, ask a worker, could you check the price for me?
Could you check the price?
Yes. Could you check the price? It is polite and clear.
Could you check the price? I hope it is cheap. Okay, but wait. The milk shelf is empty. No milk at all.
Then you ask, are you out of stock?
Out of stock.
Yes, it means, do you have any more?
Are you out of stock?
Or say, do you have any more in the back?
Do you have any more in the back? Maybe they are hiding it.
Now, let's practice. Hey, you. Yes, watching. Ask for help politely. Use, excuse me.
Excuse me, where's the bread?
Ask about the location, top or bottom.
Is it on the top shelf?
Finally, there is no price. Ask the worker.
Could you check the price?
Now, final test, Jack. I am the worker. Action.
Excuse me, where are the eggs?
They're in aisle 10 on the bottom shelf.
Thank you. Oh, excuse me again. I found them, but no price. Could you check the price?
Sure, it is $3.
Great. Oh, wait, only one box. Do you have any more in the back?
Let me look. Yes, here is a fresh box.
You are the best. Thank you.
See? You navigated the store like a native.
Supermarket master.
Question for comments. What is your favorite section? Bakery or candy?
Candy, right below. Bye.